Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this tablet. First of all, open two apps that you're to use in this view. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. Now click on this square button in order to open them in the background and hold the chosen one, in my case Play Store. Now tap on this icon with the rectangles under the padlock and click on the other one. As you can see, after that I can use both at the same time. If you were to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging one of your apps to the side and tapping on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!